Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 3 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. If you want to see how I made this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what I have is some ornaments that I got at Walmart. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use the plain shiny, the glitter, or the satin ones. But we'll see. And also from Walmart, I have their adhesive gems. And these are the smaller ones. And this is the multi-size. And I'm not real sure which ones I'm going to use yet. It all depends on how they fit on the balls. And I have some gem tack. I don't like using E6000 or Quick Hold on this kind of gem because it has a tendency to make it kind of milky. But I have this, and I have the handy dandy glue gun. So I get this together, decide which one I'm going to use, and get started. Well, I decided to use the satin, and these are really a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, but it'll work. And I decided to use the multi-sized rhinestones. And what I want to do is I want to make a design on one side and then the same design on the other. So let me decide what I'm going to do and we'll be back. I put a large one in the center, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a medium above, below, and to each side, and then I'm going to fill in with some of the tiny size. And all I'm going to do is, like I did with this one, just put a little tiny drop of the gem tack. These have a really good adhesive on them, but I want this to hold up because there's a very good possibility that this is going to go on a gift package for someone. And I have somebody in mind for this one. So, I'm going to get the design done, and like I said, just a teeny tiny drop here, and here, and I'll show you as I do it. Okay, I think you can see where I have the jewellet, and then I'm just going to peel these off and place it right on top. And there's the beginning, and now I'm going to fill in between with a small one and right outside of the medium, all with small ones. And there it is so far, and I'm thinking it looks a little bare here, so I think I'm going to put another small one out from this one. I think it'll look more like a star. And we'll see if I'm done with it or not. Well, needless to say, I do like this extra one here. So I think I'm going to repeat the same thing in the other side. And we'll see if it needs anything else. Okay, I've got both sides done. And to be honest with you, I decided not to put anything down in between because I think it'll take away from the design. This is going to take a little bit of a wait for the jewellet to dry. Just remember, when you're using the jewellet, they're not 100% glued on. They're still able to be moved around, so you really got to wait for it to dry. But yeah, I really like this one. Okay, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.